We've got the official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G in hand. And in this video, we're going to take a detailed look at everything that comes inside the box. From the packaging to the included accessories, we'll walk you through it all step by step. Plus, we'll give you a first look at the design, build quality, and initial impressions of this brand new A-series smartphone. Let's dive in and see what Samsung is offering with the Galaxy A57 5G.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painting fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. Grace, I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault.